ComposiMold reusable mold making materials. With ComposiMold we are going to make some sugar cookies of a Santa Claus three-dimensionally using a reusable remeltable mold make material ComposiMold. We started by melting the ComposiMold 20-ounce size food safe version in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. We poured it over our Santa Claus shape and then we let it cool to solidify. We could have speeded up the process of solidification by sticking it in the refrigerator or freezer for a little bit and it would take less time to cure or cool to solidify. You know that the mold is ready to go when you touch it. It is not warm to the touch. We now remove it from the mold box. We just use a plastic container for a mold box, but you can use pretty much anything. Some people like to use Legos, other people like to use aluminum foil with a little bit of vegetable oil as a mold release on the aluminum foil. And now we remove the original shape from the mold. And that's our mold. We're going to clean up the edges a little bit here in a second with some scissors. You can also use a knife to clean up the edges. Any of the ComposiMold that you peel off at this point can be remelted and reused, so just put it back into the 20-ounce container and use it for your next mold. For the sugar cookie recipe, basically you want a combination of sugar, butter, and flour. You can also add other ingredients to that as you like. Don't add the baking soda because you'll want it to not expand during the heating. So for this particular recipe, it tastes really good. I used a 1 part butter, 1 part sugar, those are equal amounts, and then 2 parts of flour. And then I added a little bit more flour as I made it to make it a little bit more firmer to the touch. Basically just press it into the mold and you are ready to make that shape. If you like, you can use your finger to pull the edges back a little bit to make a nice sharp crisp edge on the side of the mold. And then when you put the mold out, you want to squeeze the ComposiMold away from the cookie so that you're not deforming the cookie shape. And that is how we made our first Santa Claus shape cookie. And we're going to make the same process for several other cookies. And here are our cookies that we made with the ComposiMold mold. We have some really nice details, so you can pick up the lines in the Santa's beard. We're now going to cook these in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees on a preheated oven. if you want, you can keep this mold as long as you want by sticking it into a Ziploc bag and keep it sealed, or you can remelt the mold to make another shape for cookies or other edible treats just by cutting it up, putting it back in the microwave, and melting it again. That's what makes ComposiMold unique as a mold making material, is its reusability. Continuously reuse the mold as you want it, or remelt it to make a new mold anytime you want. And here are our cookies. We'll take those out of the oven and check those out. Thank you so much for watching this ComposiMold video about how to make sugar cookies with ComposiMold. If you have any questions, please let us know, and we hope your cookies come out as well. Thank you very much.